guys, you're welcome to our channel. This is Tcbfx Brown, and guess what? I just did a video on GBP/USD forecast on the week 24. Now, if you trade GBP/USD and you want to know what the week 24 holds, this is the time to actually watch that video before coming to watch this one. So click on the link of that video somewhere at the top here, or you finish watching this and ensure you watch it after this one. Okay, it will help you understand what the market perspective may be, because it has a correlation to influence the move of Euro USD. Okay, if you understand that, then let's go. What we have on the screen right here is an amazing Euro USD pair, one of the most traded pair, actually, if not the traded pair, currency pair in the world. Now, there's so much manipulations in this kind of pair, but the way it's going to move this week, we will obviously look at how the fundamentals is going to affect it. All right, how the fundamentals is going to affect it. So it's very important. So wait for that fundamental reflection on it. Okay. Firstly, we want to look at what the market has done here. All right, we see what the market has done here. This is week, we're analyzing week what? Week 24. So we see what the market did over here. Amazing consolidation in that zone. And again, another interesting area here. All right, so I'll just try to do this so you see it. Another interesting area here. Okay, now this is daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame. I want you to know this daily time frame. I'm looking at the daily time frame. Okay, so right now what we're seeing is price action against here and against here. So we at the bottom we see that price created these interesting lows. Okay, recent low, and if we drag it to the left, we see that there's a complex at the other side. We will have multiple reaction right there. Now this is Euro USD right here. Now before we proceed, some of you may have been in many of fake account Telegrams, YouTube or Instagram group that is representing us, which is wrong, because they are fake. They are not representing us in any good way. They are promoting account management, they are promoting cryptocurrency investment and all of those kind of things. I do not do such things. I'm not the one that sent them. This is the disclaimer. So if you are in any Telegram group that is promoting any of these investment schemes, run away, because that's not me. They are using my ID. They are using my ID means that they're using my anchor names. Okay, they use my picture. They use my avatars. Some even come to my group and copy my trades, my trade analysis, and put it in there. Very funny. But why are they doing this? I don't know. I mean, come on. How lazy can they get? That's the obviousness of being lazy. So what? But the truth is, stay away from this group, because they are scamming people their hard-earned money, and that's terrible. What we do here is for free. We teach people how to trade. We look at the market like this. We're doing it for free. So you are learning something. Why would you go and invest in another person, uncertainty? I don't. Anyway, you have that to deal with. But this is a disclaimer, guys. Be careful. Watch out. I'm not them. So if you want to really know and get in contact with me, my details are in this video description. Go there. My official Instagram group is there. Instagram anchor is there. My official Telegram group is there. My official website is there. What? That's it. You can't miss me using this information on this video at the description below. So do that as soon as you can. And also hit the like and the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, because I am expecting you to do so that you can have notification as soon as every week we have the forecast for the GU and Euro USD. So you don't want to miss it. And I'm also considering adding gold. We're going to be talking about gold some other time. So for those of you that trade gold, get ready. We're going to be sharing on that. But right now, this is Euro USD, and we are on a daily time frame looking at what the market has for us for the week 24. So let's look at this closely. We have a trend line there that has just been broken. Excellent. Wow. So the downtrend is finally over, guys. So what are we looking at? Uptrend. You say, how did you know? Look at the previous low. All right, we are in the uptrend on a daily time frame right now. We are in an uptrend. The market couldn't break this previous low, so that means it created a higher low. Now we have structure was broken over here also, so we know that we have been on a downtrend for a long time. So now we understand that. Let's go over to the 4-hour time frame. Just before we leave for 4-hour time frame, there's one thing I want you to notice. Did you see this tweezer top, this equal top here? That is a strong resistance being created right there. So let's see what happens on the 4-hour time frame to finally look at where this market is going for week 29. I mean week 24. Now look at this. This is 4-hour time frame. Okay, what we see right now on the 4-hour time frame, what do you see? What do you see on the 4-hour time frame? Look at that. Now let me analyze this so you understand it. The first thing we saw, or we can see right here, is that we have different structures being created. This was the previous low created on Euro USD, Euro USD, whatever. All right, now we have the previous high. This was a previous high that was created. And guess what happened? We have what we call what? Breakup structure to the upside. Great. And now we have a retracement. Excellent. So then we also have another previous higher low, which is obviously there. So now on the 4-hour time frame, this is my setup. I'm looking at this market right now and say, okay, what would possibly be? Now we have a retracement going on. So if I put my fib there and check this swing high to that swing low to that swing high, I'll be expecting price action to react in this consolidation zone. You see that? This reaction zone here. This is where I'm going to be looking for price action to the upside because we already stopped selling. Okay, the market created lower highs, lower lows several times, lower high, lower lows. You see that? Let me just show you by just annotating so you can see it. You see? All right. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay. Lower highs, lower lows, lower clean trade on lower highs, lower lows. Market gave us that. For a long time, we have that going on. Lower highs, lower lows. So if you were trading Euro USD for the past 2 months, or let's say for the past 1 month or 2 months ago, you would have enjoyed this drop, massive drop. Okay. Because this whole drop from here to this zone right here was about a month movement. Okay, we have a month. So the whole last month of May, you would have enjoyed this massive drop. But look at this. The market already changed pattern. So what we see now is an uptrend. So first, we have a trend line that possibly can give us a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame. Remember that this is the daily time frame. This one is the 4-hour time frame. So I'm looking at this right now. So a price will come to the zone and reject. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. But I'm not selling this market right now. Except you already sold here. If you already sold here, you sold after this break of the price broke below it and retest, and you sold. Let me make it clean. You sold at this retest and you sold. Get out at this price level. Get out when price comes to this zone. You want to get out from there because the market, listen, what you can see is structural, guys. The market doesn't lie. Look at bullish momentum. So we can see the buyers are in the market right now. So Euro USD is struggling to hold the buy, but it has been selling strong. But what we are thinking is it's already break structure. So we want to watch our price action at this key level before we make any rational decision to buy the market. Otherwise, we might as well have price dropping all the way down to take out this low. And then when that happens, then we're going to look for a sell. So let me explain this in a very clear note. First, is already selling. That means a pullback is happening at this swing high, okay, on Euro USD. So what you want to wait for is this. You want to see a break of structure of this low to sell, okay? You want to see a break of structure of this low to sell. Otherwise, you're not selling because this was the previous low, higher low that was created. So you want to see the price break this low, and then when it does break this low by pushing down, break this low, you want to wait for a pullback, whichever way it goes to, before you start selling. So selling is still far away from the equation. At the moment, what we can see is a buy market. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I want you to pay attention to that. This is the forecast for week 24. So you want to see the direction that the market is going on. Now, it's so important to do further research and analysis on this, because it's not enough to just go with all of this, because there's so much involved, attached to all of these things that you need to learn as a trader. So if you are not you're new to trading, you're not profitable, you're not consistent in your trading, and you want us to help you out, the link is in the description below where you can learn about mentorship, or hit me up in my Telegram group. We can chat. I can do something out, work something out for you. All right. Thank you, guys. This is exactly what I'm looking for on Euro USD. I'm not forcing the trade. I'm just going to wait. But remember, fundamentals are there. So let's look at the fundamentals for the week. We have an amazing outlook of fundamentals from on the 13th. So we have USD, CPI, CPI, and also take note of the time when it's going to happen. And again, we have on Wednesday, we have much more FOMCs, PPIs are all coming, GDP, gross domestic product is coming. So you need to watch out for this news at these various times, because the market is going to move in certain direction where you have spikes coming in here and there. So ensure you trade according to what you can afford to lose. So we have all of this information. So that's exactly what you want to do. So come to Forex Factory, look at these fundamental analysis, that is, fundamental trades or reports that is coming up. Then beware about the time, so that you either get out of the market or you just stay and trade what you see. Thank you guys for being part of this channel. I believe you guys are enjoying it. And also, hey, hit the subscribe button and share the video. Now, next is going to be week 25. So I hope you are going to be successful and in your trading this week, and then close your week with profit. And I'll see you in week 25. Thank you guys for being a nice listener. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.